practice on attorney at law. All right, let me get over here and get into position, please. Okay. All right, the first thing you need to do before you can practice law, of course, is get your bar. Person is qualified and authorized to conduct trial of cases is what an attorney is. The requirements for admission vary among states, but generally an applicant must be of good moral character, have completed a stated course study at a law school, and have passed the bar exam. A lawyer can be prohibited from practicing law, disbarred, for conduct impeding justice, such as criminal acts involving moral turpitude or unethical professional conduct. Education, there's like 180 American Bar Associate approved law schools in the United States, the oldest being Harvard Law School, founded in 1817. University of Pennsylvania ranked number 1. Stanford was an exception and slipped 3 spots this year and landed at number 7. Again, before you can sit for your bar, you need a bachelor's degree. That could be in any field. That's considered your undergraduate degree. After that, you're going to need to apply with a university granting a law degree with prior permission. To do so, you'll have to go for 3 years of law school to obtain your Juris Doctor degree, and generally you're going to need a 3.5 GPA or better to get accepted to your better law schools. Top 10 law schools in the United States being Stanford, Harvard, University of Michigan, New York University, Columbia University, University of Chicago, University of Pennsylvania, Yale University, University of Michigan, and at the bottom, number 10, University of California, Berkeley. Some of the curriculum that you're going to need during your first year of law school. It is mandatory curriculum. It includes civil procedure, constitution law, contracts, criminal law, property, torts, legal research, legal writing. After you complete your first year of law school, then you'll be required to take administrative law, corporate law, international law, admiralty law, intellectual property law, and tax law. Professional responsibility was added after the Watergate scandal. Wonder why. Tuition, annual tuition at all of the top 10 schools is about 60 grand. Other expenses lead to total cost of 80 to 90 grand. That means law students shell out well north of 200,000 over 3 years, or tens of thousands more than the median cost of a home in the U.S. After graduating in 2008 and incurring $150,000 in debt, the average public law graduate and private law school graduate leave with about $84,000 and $122,000 in debt, respectively. She couldn't find a full-time attorney gig. Most expensive law schools in 2017 were New York University, Columbia University, and the University of Chicago. Salaries for each of the top 5, 97 and 98% graduates were employed within a year with a median salary of $160,000, a number that has remained the same for the last 3 years. At Berkeley, which holds a 10th slot on the Princeton Reviews list, 93% of graduates were employed within a year and a median salary of $145,000. The best school if you want to get paid well is Stanford Law School, which tops their list with mid-career median pay of $236,000, followed by Duke University Law School, which ranked number 2 with a median pay of $221,000. One thing nice about getting your law degree is that you can choose any field that you want to practice law in, from medical field, criminal, state, if you want to represent movie stars, environmental issues, really any field that interests you, that you find interesting. The money will come once you build your reputation. I think in the beginning, the most important thing is become well-liked, your personality, that people want to work with you. After you get good and you're winning cases and you're making big cash, they're not going to care if you're a jerk or not if you're going to win their cases. My uncle John Horitzko was very prominent, one of the best in his field, Lorraine County. He kept me out of the slammer a few times when my rabble-rousing younger years. But so it's a very lucrative, and he did very well with him in the field. So I think I should have got into that instead of accounting. It would have been nice to work with people more than with numbers. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation. I got a list of my, we're excited here, and thank you very much. Have a great day.